Took a quick trip to Target to check out what the dollar spot had in new. All right, I think we saw these baskets before, but just wanted to show it to you again because they're only $5 and they come with a cute top. These tapered candles right here, so they come in a set of two. That one is like kind of like a dip dye, and then you can get a solid white. They both are $3. These little clip lights, I think they're cute. So $5. They come with the little clips and then a string light. And then of course they're gonna have tea towels and stuff for the season. So they had these sets right here. This one says easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then the back one is going to be like kind of a checkered plaid print, and they are $5 for the set. This one right here says take it easy. Those are like nice pretty spring colors and kind of a boho vibe for that one right there. This one right here, just a nice simple print. You can really leave that out all year with the blue. And then that one right there says life is sweeter in summertime. And then the back print, it kind of gives me like a little retro vibe. And with those, you can always make cute little pillows. This basket right here with the tassel on the one side, so those are $5. And if you can see, it kind of has like a little rope detail at the top that goes into the tassel. And then those are the other baskets in a different color. These I thought were cute. And then there's a matching piece that goes with this. So they fold away. So the legs can fold down. It has the little print on it. So that's great to take with you for like picnics and stuff. That one is $5. And then they have it like in a rectangle shape. So if you do like a lot of outdoor entertainment, even you can use these inside and you can set that up like on your island or something really pretty. These, we saw these before, but they still have them there. So if you're doing like parties, you know, for a backdrop, they have those. These I love, $5. So these are the big ones. And then you can see they have other options, but they're not there right now. But you can also pair those with the Dollar Tree ones and make like a custom little set. These little chalk signs, great for parties, $5 off of crafts. These from the dad section, so it says dad joke loading. They have these, they come and go, but they're cute for Father's Day right now, $5. This little tray right here, $5, and it kind of has like a hammered metal look. These bookends we saw before, $5, and they come in other colors too. The red, white, and blue Patriotic decor is so cute. This one is just I think like a spring garden sign. I'm not 100% sure, but it comes with little screws that you can screw it in. $5 for that one right there. This little s'more kit right here, so you get two of them, $3, and it has like the little wood handles and then the little rubber tips. So like I said, a bunch of stuff for parties. So these 20 count napkins right there. These little lights, not lights, these are sunglasses, they light up. So they had these two different ones at my dollar spot right now, and I just think they're so cute together too. These little trays, because like I said, party time, and so it's like time to get outside and do different things. So that's like a little plastic tray with different compartments. $5. This one right here is shaped like the US, and it has the little stars in it, super cute. And then some more tea towels that are cute for the season. So that has the stripes, and then it has like the firecracker print on it. This one right here, it says stars and stripes, and then it has like a classic plaid print on the back of it right there. And then this one right here, it says happy 4th of July, and then it has another little plaid print on the back. So all of those are cute. And again, you can make the little pillows and stuff out of those. And then these are door signs. Okay, so they're fabric, but you can put them outside. So that one says welcome across, and they're all going to be $5. That one says welcome across, and then that one says celebrate across right there. So you can put the top of your door, or you could do something else with it. And then they have ones that go along the side of your door. So they'll come separate. You gotta buy them separate. One will say one thing and then the other will say one thing, but they all are $5 for those right there. These shells, they come and they go, the different type ones. So those without the ledge, $5 for that one right there. They have them with the ledge, but just a ton of party items. These right here, it's like a little hot dog, only $1. And you get multiple in the pack. These little plates right here, only $1. Cups they have right here, and only $1. So this is like a leftover. But it was in the socks with the socks for dads and stuff. So you make a cute little gift basket for your dad or something. And they all are $1, so they have different interests. So Grill Master, Golf, that one is just says number one dad right there. This one says world's greatest dad. And then they have these cute little trucker hats. All right. So first when I saw these, I was confused because it said set of two, but one was torn apart when I saw it before. But these are together. So you get one for the dad and then one for your kid. So it'll have cute little sayings on them. This little game right here is just a cute little table game of basketball for $5. These drink coolers, so this one is the only one they had left, but they do have them in other prints, and those are $5. Okay, so this is a little serving tray. You can use it as a cake stand. That one was dirty, so you want to get one that's not dirty or wash it, but you can use it as a cake stand or turn it over and put like dip and then chips along the outside right there. This, I had to grab this, so cute, $5, cute little red, white, and blue. And then I did a little DIY with mine, and I did this, but you don't have to do anything like that. You could just leave it as is because it is cute on its own. But I did that on my DIY page. That's So Trendy DIY. So make sure to check that out if you do like easy little simple DIYs. But definitely I love that one right there. These little lanterns, cute for the kids, like camping things and stuff like that. So they are $5. They came in those two colors at my Target. So this little ceramic chime thing here, it's like it's a little wind chime, $3. So the little pieces are inside, so you can now hang it up and stuff like that. So you might want to grab that. More cute little glasses. So they have adult size and then they have kid sizes. So the adult sizes are $3, and they have, like I said, different prints, and then the kid sizes are $1. But you might want to grab you some summer style. They have patriotic ones, and then they have just cute summer like ones that you can grab. And again, they have them in adult and kids. More cute little patriotic. This is like more nautical like theme though, but you can use this like patriotic too. So $3 for these little pieces right here that says lifeguard. So that's more beach. You're gonna use that for the beach. But the first one, you could use it either way. But they had a ton of those. This little basket didn't have a tag on it, but I'm gonna say $5. So it's like a little tiered hanging basket tray thing. Thought that was cute. The little nautical rope decor pieces, so $3. They had it in the neutral color right there. These I thought was super cute. So you put it together. So it comes with a little stick right there. You'll put it up, and you can put like utensils or different things in the compartments right there, and then the paper towels will go on the side, and you can see this print matches the other trays. So I'm wondering if the trays come in the blue too. I don't know. I didn't see them. This one is still my favorite. I'm not sure if I showed it before, but it's a little tiered tray. It's $5. It's ceramic. You put it together and it's just like the little stack boats. Love that one. This little nautical rope thing here. I like the blue and white, and I think they look cute together too if you want to grab both. This one, life is better at the lake. $5, like a little wall decor sign. These are so cute because you can customize them. So they have like a little surfboard. You can leave them as is, but you can do something cute with your Cricut or something. Put a little custom wording on there, or like get some letter signs. But that one is $5. And then these little oars, super cute too. And you get the set of two for $5. And then these trays that they're having, come out for every season. And that is $5. And just the blue is just super pretty. So these would be good for Juneteenth. I'm assuming they're from like Black History Month, but I don't recall seeing them. So they are 50% off now. They had books and stuff like that. Again, 50% off, and the books are only $1, so that's like 50 cents. So for the books and stuff, so if you were looking to grab some of that, my Target had it on clearance. And then these little balls right here, super cute. $1. I don't know if you can see it. Has little things in the inside, and they like move around. Just something cute for kids and stuff. They had the whole Pride collection out, so just a ton of cute stuff. So they have different little patches, and they're only $1, and you get a set of two. So they had different ones for different things. And I don't know, did they mark these? Yeah, they marked them, so you can know which one is for which, what have you, and stuff. And then they had the little glow sticks and stuff. And honestly, everybody could use glow sticks. Remember these when you were a kid? And you would take these, these are only $1. So they come out straight, and then you slap it, and it slaps around your wrist. I love those things. Shoelaces, so cute, colorful little shoelaces they have. They have a ton of flags, and a lot of this stuff is $1, only $1. Cute little socks. These will go with a lot of cute little outfits and stuff. Only $1 for those. And then the sunglasses, so they have those for $3. And again, they have them in the different colors. So they have the flags, $1. Just like I said, a ton of stuff for $1. And again, the tea towels and stuff. And then I think different people might have made them, like, you know, that Target has the collections and stuff like that. These are cute. And again, I say you can take these and make cute little pillows. Like, imagine cute little pillows out of these. Just the colors are so pretty and so vibrant. So yeah, you might want to grab some of those. More flags, and again, they labeled them so you don't have any confusion of picking the right one because they label them. And then more the little slap wrist things. These were my favorite, little cute, because they look like little disco balls, and you could see like the little shimmer and the light reflecting off of those. And then they had these over there. So these are cute little pinwheels that you can grab at only $1. And I think these are a good deal because Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. So $1, and they look kind of sturdy. And then these little picnic blankets. So they're like a plastic kind of, and you can see they fold up so you can just toss these basically in your bag. So these are great for like outdoor activities, not just picnics and stuff, especially a lot of things in the park. So one side is printed and then the other side is like a solid. And then I was doing this one-handed. So once you fold it up, you could just snap it closed. So it's just real easy to go. And then they had those in two different prints at my Target. And then these right here, the little beer container. And they have a wine one too, but they didn't have it when I was there, but like a little set for the wine. So yeah, you might want to go look for those at Target Dollar Spot too, because the Bullseye section is full right now with a lot of great things.